one of the crucial points being missed in this current negotiation controversy between the JFF hierarchy and the players' representative, Damian Lowe. Read the player remuneration. My headache and heartaches are emerging from the fact that we have a very talented crop of players with an excellent chance of qualifying for the 2022 World Cup. But if we don't handle our business, if we don't dot all the I's and cross all the T's, we're going to blow this golden opportunity. We hear talk about the JFF should settle all their money business with the players before and blah, blah, blah. That is easier said than done. Because I am not sure that the balance has been struck in the heads of some of these players between getting their personal pound of flesh and focusing on the bigger prize of qualifying for the World Cup. And if we don't strike that balance, trouble daddy. Yes, trouble daddy. Like we are going up to Washington, D.C. Seriously though, at some point, the Jamaican players will have to be driven and motivated by something other than personal gains. There is this saying that patriotism is the last refuge of a scoundrel. Will I tell you this? We're gonna need a few scoundrels in that Jamaican camp if we're gonna board that plane to Qatar in 2022. Yes. We're gonna need some real Jamaican scoundrel. What was it? Scoundrel, Mr.